Go. Alright, so chemistry allows us to understand the world and how different materials interact. By studying chemistry and particles, we can understand how to use certain materials to our advantage. Learning the properties of materials helps us create electronics, rockets, and so much more. It's important to me because, it's the basis of what we use in electronics. Helps us explain how semiconductors work and how different parts of engineering work as a whole. So my topic is on ionic bonds and some of their properties. So ionic bond it happens when there's a transfer of an electron or electrons between two different atoms. So this forms ions, which are charged particles, and those two ions would attract to each other because opposites attract. So an example of this is Na and Cl. So Na donates an electron to Cl, making Na a positive ion and Cl a negative ion. And these two attract to each other to form NaCl. So one unique property is of the ionic substances is its ability to conduct electricity. So I have some salt here. As a solid, ionic substances don't conduct electricity. So it's a simple circuit. And when I put it here, it doesn't conduct or anything like that. This is because the atoms are in a tight structure. It's not allowing electricity to flow through. However, when we dissolve salt into water, salt is a polar molecule. So one side is more negative than the other. It breaks apart the ionic bond, and the two ions would attract to their respective sides. So, and these free ions allow electricity to flow and carry current. So I'm going to demonstrate this here. So I'm going to put the salts in my cup. Maybe add a little bit more. Stir it a bit so it all dissolves. And then when I put my little LED thing in, it glows. Yay! So this leads to a little surprising fun fact that Play-Doh is conductive. So it contains salt in it, and it's not quite a liquid or solid, so it has properties of both. So one of which is that its ions dissociate, so it can conduct electricity. So this is an example of how chemistry can show this types of phenomenons. And